Hey YouTube, Mustang Stampede. Taking a look at the 2021 Honda Accord Sport Special Edition. My wife picked this up about a month ago, so I'll do a walk around and quick interior breakdown. I have a test drive video that you can click on, and it has a window sticker as well. So it does have the LED drive lights and then LED headlights that are extremely bright. When I was following her home, I knew exactly which car she was because she'd kind of fallen behind us. That right there is the Honda Sensing. It's like a little radar for the adaptive cruise control, and it will allow the car to brake. This one does have the fog lights since it's sport special edition. Up there is part of the Honda lane assist, and the car will actually, between those, that lane assist, driver assist, and the Honda Sensing radar, this car drove itself around a corner one day when I was messing with it. I was like, I wonder if it will keep me in the lane going around a corner, and it basically drove around the corner without any input from me at all, which got them all laughing because they was like, oh, does it self-drive? Is it a Tesla? Like my kids, like, yeah, no, it's not a Tesla. So it has the 19-inch premium wheels. Part of the Sport Edition, I believe, is the black side mirrors. We've already had the windows tinted, but it's kind of hard to tell that because of the way the sun is hitting it. All right, another part of the Special Edition is the black spoiler and the black antenna. Inside, she went with leather interior. We have USB ports for the rear passengers. This is a pretty cool feature right here. Folds down for your drinks in the back, and the nice armrest. More like a stop the kids from fighting divider. Her work umbrella's in there. This right here is all like, if you have the key fob with you, like if you just put your hand in here like this, it will unlock it. It does have remote start. Has a leather wrap steering wheel. Leather seats, they're heated. Has the metal pedals. Carbon fiber insert. Another reason why she went with the Sport Edition was that basically a lot of the Accords have wood grain. She's not wood grain yet. She don't want wood grain. It has the large infotainment, which you can see in the test drive video. But basically that's it. 2021 Honda Accord Sport Special Edition walk around. It's the San Marino red. It has 777 miles on it now. Any questions or anything you'd like to know about it, let me know. As always, thanks for watching.